Welcome to Absolute Punjab once again. I will write down a few lines in English, then I will write down the same line in English but in Punjabi spoken kind of sound. Then I will write down in Punjabi. That way you can see that the reason I wrote down in English and Punjabi because this is English letters, so you can understand easy. But the Punjabi one I will write down so that you can see me how I write down Punjabi letter to make you a little bit understand and give you some idea how we write down. It's up to you how you want to write down. But this is my thinking that it should be shown how to write down. So this is say it is very cold today. Actually, it's very cold today outside in Toronto area. It's a minus 13, 14, and with wind chill it feels like minus 20, minus 22. So it is very cold today. आज बहुत ठंड है. Aj means today, bahut means very, thand means cold, hai means is some sort of. It is very cold today. And aj bahut thand hai, I will write down in Punjabi, era, jijja. And you remember, I try to remind you the signs we used. So it says urge. But we want to write down aj. So adik and bahut, baba, ha, tata. So this is probably pronounced bahat, but we want to make it bahut. So you remember onkar. आज बहुत ठंड, ठट्ठा, then dadda. To make the sound thund and noise come from nose a little bit and kind of stopped and start. We say thund. So tippy here. आज बहुत ठंड है. Ha, you remember dolama. आज बहुत ठंड है. Next one, I will not go out. You know that sometimes we say I will not go out, or some people say I will not go outside. So even if you put side here, the meaning is more or less same. So even if you say I will not go out or go outside, मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं means I, बाहर means out, नहीं means no, जाऊंगा means future, go, some sort of well. So मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. And we write down like you remember मैं, mama, and dolama. To make nose sound, you remember bindi. मैं bahar, baba, for B. Kanna, to make sound a. Ha, ha, rara. मैं बाहर नन्ना, ha, बिहारी and bindi. नहीं जावांगा. जिज्जा, कन्ना, जा. This is called Java, but we want to make it, say this is Javanga, Gagga, Kanna. This would be pronounced Javaga, but we want to make Jawa, like in the nose. we have to put bindi here. मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. If we say here, I will not go out today, then you remember today we used last line aj. Then we can write down मैं up here, मैं आज बाहर नहीं जाऊंगा. So this is the next line. I will use write one or two more lines. I don't want to make the lessons too long. Next one is I do not like cold. Some people usually don't say it, I don't like cold, or some people say I don't like winter. But cold means, you know, you understand. If it's very cold outside, we simply say I don't like or I do not like cold. You don't have to worry about the English. Don't or do, not, same thing. So I do not like cold. मैं ठंड पसंद नहीं करता. मैं means I am, ठंड cold, पसंद like, नहीं that mean no, करता mean do. So that mean overall मैं ठंड पसंद नहीं करता. I write down in Punjabi. Again mama लावा बिंदी मैं ठंड टिप्पी dada. You should remember from the last line, so we don't have to waste time on the same word again and again. मैं ठंड पसंद पप्पा ससा dada. To make it pasand, you remember and nose, pasand tipi. Then nanna haha bihari bindi nahi kakka rara dada and khanna. So kakka k r, rara dada the, kanna a. मैं ठंड पसंद नहीं करता. Next, I like summer. I like summer. मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करता हाँ. Sometimes it's longer when you read it. मैं means I am, like I. गर्मियाँ summer, पसंद like. करता हाँ usually just do. This is the way Punjabi is written. I like summer. मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करता हाँ. So we can write down मैं, we wrote before, mama, lama. मैं गर्मियाँ गग्गा, rara. Mama, Bihari, Eda, Eda, Khanna, and Gagga, Rara, Mama, Bihari, Eda, Kanna. मैं गर्मियाँ पप्पा ससा टिप्पी दद्दा पसंद कक्का रारा दद्दा कन्ना हाहा कन्ना बिंदी. मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करदा हाँ. I like summer. मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करदा हाँ. मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करदा हाँ. I think this should be enough for today because you don't only have to learn how to speak, but try to write down, try to practice to write down, and we will try to make longer words and sentences. We'll write down sentence in English then I will not write down again and again in English how we pronounce it. I will just say it, because this way we have to waste a lot of time. But if this is the way you like it, you can leave a comment. I continue to do this way. If you think I just write down, for example, I like summer, then instead of this, I will say not this. I like summer, then I will say in Punjabi we call it मैं गर्मियाँ पसंद करता हाँ, and write down in Punjabi only. So please try to leave a comment which way you like it, and we will try to make longer sentences and paragraphs, and we continue to do that. If you have any suggestion what you want me to do, any special lesson, just send me a message, private message, or leave a comment. Until then, be happy. God bless you.